So what is up guys, this is Chris from GoFast Media here, bringing you the first installment of our car care series. This series will cover stuff like car maintenance, car washes, paint corrections, car coatings and all that kind of stuff. I really hope you enjoy our first episode. So yeah, the first step before you do anything with the car itself, make sure to remove any kind of jewellery, any watches, any belts, whatever, anything that could potentially scratch the car during the wash. So the first step of a maintenance wash, for me anyway, should always be the wheels. As you can see, I'm using a Wonder Wheels product here. This removes fallout, brake dust. It also lifts up any dirt and grime that is deep in your wheels. I've also prepared a wheel bucket. It has warm water with body shampoo and a soft bristle brush for cleaning the alloy, the front alloy itself. Then a long woolly, as people call them, but this one isn't actually made of wool. Same kind of idea. It's for reaching deep into the main barrel of the wheel, just to pick up any dirt and grime that is in fact there as well. So using your soft bristle brush, you want to do it once around your main alloy, and then you want to switch over to your long brush and you want to dive deep into the barrel of the wheel, making sure not to miss any dirt spots. And then after a few minutes of leaving it to set, you want to switch over to your power washer and just rinse off all the product from your wheel. Your wheel will be shining clean after this, and all you have to do is simply repeat it around the car. It's about 5 minutes per alloy, I'd say, almost, so 20 minutes in total. Takes no time at all really. Like, I could spend hours washing my car some days. So yeah, it's 100% worth it. So step 2 is your pre-wash. You simply just want to rinse the entire body of the car. This removes any kind of heavy dirt particles and bugs and stuff like that, just off the surface of the paint. So quickly moving on to step 3, this is your snow foam stage. This is in fact my personal favourite stage of washing any car. For this I'm using a 1:3 ratio of Auto Gloom Polar Blast with some warm water. I'm using this in my Ultra Foam Cleaner from Karcher, but of course there are many brands and many ways of doing this. You can get hose attachments as well, so you don't even need a power washer. And yeah, you want to put a generous covering of snow foam on the car, the more the better, and then leave the snow foam to sit for a few minutes. So then after leaving the car to rest for a few minutes, you can in fact just wash all of the snow foam off. Make sure you get every last bit of it off, but it doesn't really matter if there are a few bits left over. Moving on to step 4, this is your contact wash. You shouldn't really have touched the paint at all before this stage. For this I'm using a wash mitt from Meguiar's with a bucket that has a grit guard at the bottom. A grit guard simply just allows you to kind of clean the wash mitt properly, removing any potential stones or whatever could have come off the car, or even if you just had the wash mitt in storage, it does clean it. So we have our rinse bucket, which is the yellow one, and the green bucket has our Auto Gloom Bodywork shampoo. Also make sure to get into places like behind the fuel cap cover. It's perfectly safe to do so, and you do not have to worry about water getting into any places it shouldn't. And then once you've done that, just simply rinse off all the suds from the car until the car is completely clean. So moving on to step 5, this is your hand dry stage. Simply just use a very absorbent microfiber towel, fold it into 4. Folding into 4 just gives you more surfaces to work with and allows you to dry more of the car with one. For the windows I use a squeegee and a microfiber. It's just a quick way of getting any heavy water particles off the window. For step 6, this is your quick detailer stage. I'm using Rapid Detailer by Autoglym. You simply just want to spray it onto your body panel and spread it in a circular motion using a microfiber. After leaving it to set for a minute or so, just wipe it off with a clean microfiber. For step 7, this is your glass cleaning stage. Simply use a dedicated glass cloth along with your favorite glass cleaner. I'm using a glass cleaner from Turtle Wax here, I believe. So simply, first of all, clean it in a box on the outside and then clean the interior. Now for step 8, this is your final step. Use a tire shine product such as Demon tires from Carplan. Simply spray on your tires and then clean any overspray using a microfiber to soften your alloys. And yeah, that is pretty much everything, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. Follow us on Instagram. And just a quick shout out to Young Tio for providing the music for these videos as well. Cheers, guys.